today I'm going to reveal a new fund just came out from YieldMax that just started trading today. This fund has, of course, obvious high yield, same as any other YieldMax ETFs. This is one of the biggest bank, which is the JPMorgan. We're going to look this fund, what it has to offer for us passive income investors. And then we going also to look at the chart on JPMorgan stock itself, and we look at the price range of this particular, and I'm going to let you know what kind of perspective, what kind of expectation you will be expecting when it comes to yield, how much they're going to pay you in dividends, and when the first dividend will be paid. Those are the few things that we're going to look. So let's dive right into it and see what it has to offer. And by the way, on this channel, I always bring update and news on these type of cover call ETFs and any changes there are. For example, your distribution cut, your distribution increase, or distribution announcement. I always bring those ones. So if it's your first time and you are a passive income investor, just make sure you subscribe. And if you like my content, just give me a thumb up. JPMO, that's the ticker symbol, YieldMax JPM. Option income strategy. We look at the overview, performance, holding, literature, and purchase. So distribution rate right now there's 0. You can see there's nothing right now because there's a brand new fund. But I'll give you estimate on how much it's going to be. We look at the distribution frequency. It's going to be monthly, same as any other of their suite of ETFs. It's always monthly distribution of high yield. Fund overview. The YieldMax JPM Option Income Strategy ETF, JPMO, is an active managed fund that seeks to generate a monthly income by selling writing call options on JPM, which is JPMorgan Chase. JPMO pursues strategies that aim to harvest the compelling yields while retaining capital participation in the price gain of JPM. The fund does not invest directly in JPM, as I've explained before. These are I think synthetic cover call options, so they don't invest directly, but there's a mechanism where they can invest and generate a higher passive income. You can watch my other video. I explain what that is. We look at the investment objective. As usual, the fund primary objective is to generate income, and the fund secondary objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of JPMorgan Chase. We look at the fund information. The name, of course, YieldMax JPM Option Income Strategy ETF. The ticker symbol will be JPMO. Just make sure you're really when you're going to buy, just make sure you put JPMO instead of, if you is your intention is to buy this one, because if you pay JPM, of course you're going to buy price. You're going to buy a share of the bank itself. So this is something you have to, you have to pay attention on the ticker symbol, because a lot of people have done a lot of confusion buying different stock while they're intending to buy another stock. So a fund inception date was on September 11th, 2023. That was yesterday, but because of inception all happens after the market, so it started trading today on the 12th. We'll look at the primary exchange is New York Stock Exchange, and we'll look at the growth expense ratio is 0.99. This is typical for any of these suite of ETF that they have from YieldMax. We'll look at the net asset right now. The management net asset is 20 and NAV is 20, so it's a pretty par to the net asset because it's brand new. Share outstanding is only 1 because this is it's an ETF, but it's called fund of one stock ETF, meaning they invest in only one company, which is in this case is JPMorgan. Premium discount is 0. There's nothing there because it's brand new, so we don't have anything. We'll look at distribution detail. There isn't any, but the distribution, what happens is going to be a month from now, because they have to write those calls and generate the income, and then after that they're going to distribute. So today is September 12th. The first distribution will be around on or about November. That's when you're gonna expect if you were to buy this stock today. But between now and then you might gain appreciation of the fund itself. But when it comes to distribution, you're not getting next month. When it comes to holding, they do use treasury bonds to hold the cash, and they have a counterpart that use to write calls using that cash as collateral. We look at the stock actually trading today. We look at the YieldMax JPM Option Income Strategy, $20, and it was about 3 cents down, but after market it went up to $2, which is 10%. I don't know what happens. And you look at the 52-week range is 2004 to 28.08 cents. Volume is 29,000. So he has a pretty good volume for the first day. He just started today, and then he has that much volume, which is pretty good. We look at the expense ratio. I've said is 99, and inception date was yesterday, and this is how much it was traded. You can see the graph right here. We'll look at the JP Morgan stock itself, JPMorgan Chase Co, right? JPM. We'll look at how much it is. The 52-week range of this stock was about 101 to 159. So all the banks have actually, if you look at the banks like Bank of America and most banks, because of the interest rate, the banks were very affected by the stock price. They were very down, but this bank was not. It did pretty well. By the way, JP Morgan is the biggest bank in America, and is actually the biggest bank in the world. So when it comes to market, look, a market cap is a 425 billion. So that's a big. Year to date, JP Morgan itself has about, that's how much it is. It's pretty much up so far this year, and of course it does pay dividend of 2.77, which is equal to $4, and ex-dividend date was July 5th 2023. So the second dividend will be in October if you invest in the stock itself. And 1 year target is about 169. So right now is 140. There is still more to go. If the estimate is right and the stock will rise, of course, YieldMax also will rise in price. So that's all for the stock chart. But we look at the YieldMax website. So far they have ARK, they have Tesla, they have Apple, they have Nvidia, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Netflix. They have Coney, which is Coinbase, related to cryptocurrency, of course. And these are brand new, and there's no yield so far. The first yield will be paid next month. This is Microsoft, this is Disney, and this is ExxonMobil. And the newer one is JPMO, which is JP Morgan. So I've covered all of these ones. So if you want to know more about any of these ones, you can go to my channel, or you can check the link below. I've discussed all of these ones here and distribution. And then recently I just made a video about the dividend cut, because Tesla used to pay 16.6, but now they cut to 47. But that's just how it works, because of how much they generate. They will increase that. So when I'm expecting, how much am I expecting JP Morgan to be paying? This one, if you look at the volume and you look at how this stock is, going to be paying between 25 to 30. That's my prediction of the dividend. And I've actually been really good with my prediction when it comes to how much they're going to pay, because I look at the volume, I look at other ones that are similar in terms of capitalization volume. So there you have it, a new fund from YieldMax, and that will be JPMO. You can buy it today, or you can buy it tomorrow. I mean, it started trading yesterday. So anyways, if you have any question, just make sure you leave your question on the comment below. And if you like this video, just give me a thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed, it's your first time watching this, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, because on this channel you're going to get a lot of updated news. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.